Hi there and welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll guide you through how to set up seasonal plans in your Bookingjini Channel Manager account. Seasonal plans are a great way for hoteliers and property managers to set different room rates for different times of the year. For example, higher prices during peak seasons and special discounts during the off-season. Let's walk you through the steps to get everything set up. First, log into your Bookingjini Channel Manager account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side menu. Click on Setup. On the Setup page, click on Seasonal Plan. Here you'll see a list of existing seasonal plans, if any have already been created. To add a new one, click on the Add Plan button in the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the name of your seasonal plan. For example, let's call it Spring Saver. Next, choose a color to help visually identify the plan. Once done, click Save. Your new seasonal plan is now created. Now it's time to define the room rates for this plan. Search for the newly created plan, Spring Saver. You'll see your available room categories listed under this plan. Click on a room category to set its seasonal pricing. Let's define pricing for the first room category. You can now set rates for different meal plans, including EP, CP, MAP, and AP. Set the desired price once, and then select the date range for which this price should apply. After that, click Save to confirm the rate. Repeat the same process for any other room categories you want to include. Once all your pricing is saved, you can apply the seasonal rates at any time by clicking the Apply button. And that's it. You've successfully set up a seasonal plan in Bookingjini Channel Manager. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to contact us using the support details provided. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and check out our other videos for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.